Ophiocordyceps sinensis is also known as Yarshagumba or caterpillar fungus or Himalayan gold. It is endemic to the alpine region and is distributed in Nepal, India, Bhutan, and Tibet. It is usually distributed from 3,000 to 5,000 meters above sea level. It has significantly improved the socioeconomic status of the mountain people as one of the most expensive biological commodities in the world. Its harvest and sales have significantly improved the income of rural people. Harvesting technique. The normal harvesting period of Ophiocordyceps sinensis is between the month of April to August. They are found in high altitude grasslands. The collectors or harvesters usually carry a small hoe or knife to lift the caterpillar fungus out of the soil. It needs to be done carefully as breaking off reduces the value. The fungus is harvested as a whole, cleaned, dried, and supplied to the market. Proper care should be given during cleaning and packaging. The soil present on the fungus is cleaned with the help of toothbrush and set dry is effective for post-harvesting process. Medicinal uses. It is good for enforcing the proper function of lungs and kidneys. It is effective in shortness of breath, asthma, bronchitis, dizziness, etc. It is used as a sexual stimulant. It is used to strengthen the body after exertion. It has traditionally been used for improving backache, to increase sperm production and blood production. It is used for enhancing the building of the bone marrow. Chemical constituents. It contains cordycepsin, adenosine, cytosine, thymine, polysaccharides, codimine, erasterol, etc. Major challenges and trade issues. Major challenges associated with Ophiocordyceps sinensis are mainly caused by direct and indirect human activities such as habitat alteration or destruction and unscientific harvesting technique. The major threats are unmanaged collection, pollution, deforestation, high use of fuel wood, unsustainable harvesting practices,